All right, so today's project, there's this weird, I don't know what you call it. It's like just this weird cement pad on our property that is just useless and cracked in nice little sizable chunks. So what I'm gonna do is I rented a mini skid steer today for a job. It's not really a mini skid steer, it's a dingo, so it's pretty small, but I'm gonna see, since I have it till tomorrow and the job's done, and so it's just sitting here for free, I'm gonna see if I can dig that thing up. So hopefully it goes super easily and quick, but we'll see. So stick around, we're gonna get this done. So here what I'm doing is the slab is out now. Now there's this pergola and this fence that are the next thing to get torn out. And then I'll regrade it all, and then it will be completely finished. Alrighty, so this is where the slab was. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I need to bring in topsoil or something and fix this up and then seed it, and it'll just be grass. So, but while I had the mini skid steer, this is like 2 weeks later, by the way. I just never finished rolling the footage for this video. So I wanted to come out here and give a recap before I ended it. The dirt here was all a lot higher than it is, and I cut it all out and kind of spread it. That's why this area is a lot bigger now. And then I will show you over here on this side, if you remember, there's footage of it, so you'll have already seen it by now, but there was a big bush, or like a big, I don't know what you call it, a big vine, and a old fence that was falling over down here where these roots are sticking out. So these are all pulled up now, and I started raking this stuff up, and then it got so busy with lawn care starting and spring rush that I just haven't gotten to it. But basically just pulled everything out that was back here so that the lawn is just free of obstacles that are unnecessary, and once there's grass and stuff growing, it'll look a whole lot better. So that was basically the point of all this. Also, I just got these mics, so I mean, I can walk far away and you guys can actually hear me. So let me know if the audio sounds any better. It should. I haven't figured these mics out quite yet, so I don't know how good they're gonna be, but let me know if the audio is better. But yeah, so this is the finished product. Everything's pulled up, and there's a lot of work yet to do raking it out and seeding it. I may make another video on that, but kind of walk you around here, let you see. So if you remember, this here is where the concrete slab was, and then up here is where the fence was and the weird vine plant. So it's all out. There's still piles and clumps that need smoothed out, but this is all going to get seeded, and that's pretty much it. So once this is all seeded and looking good, I'll let you guys see it either in another video or who knows, but somehow I'll show it at some point in a video and you guys will get to see what it looks like. But that's the finished product, and it looks a lot better, free of obstructions and old junk. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one.